There's something on there. Really? Oh, I got lots of stuff. Christmas tree topper.
Christmas ornament.
What else do we get on there? Lure, and a spark plug, and another jig. A whippet and a bolt. There it is. It's like, oh, part of a tie rod end. Oh, 72. Oh, yeah.
Oh, got another one. There you go. Awesome.
That one's been in there for a very, very, very long time.
Oh, thanks.
So brake top.
Cool. Nice catch.
Well, thank you very much.
Color,
Please don't want this one. Trust me.
oh yeah, you will not want that one. That's all covered in who knows.
It's number 72. Well, if we said 65, it wasn't Randy's. Dude. 72. 70, yeah, 73.
What is it? Oh, it's another revolver.
Old Colt and old Ivor Johnson. I told him I'm calling. I honestly don't know. Sometimes they're inside the handle, sometimes they're on the bottom. That one right there's a Colt.
Alright, do you have any questions? No. Alright, man.
You have a wonderful day.
There's the wall. Another one of them brackets. Ah, got plastic bag, a lot of fishing line. Don't know. No, just more of this metal stuff.
I thought that was a knife.
Nah, that one don't work.
That's some fishing line, get that out of the water. Uh-oh.
Always a good thing.
Oh man, so the line got wrapped around my magnet, so I pulled the line out and I got myself a fishing rod.
Nice.
Oops. But I just pulling on the line so you saw it was at the other end of it.
Nice catch, Randy.
Sweet, nice Jason. Also on that throw, apparently I had some safety scissors and didn't realize it too. I had some safety scissors on there and didn't know it too. Piece of cement or leaf spring and that was weird.
Yeah, that's been a bracket. That was weird.
Whoa, Carol, trash can.
Yeah,
Anything else?
And then
Inside the muck.
handcuffs.
Handcuffs, there you go.
Two pairs of
Two pairs of handcuffs. How the hell have we never got those before?
I don't know, man. There's
Those
one
old, they've been
pair.
down there a while.
There's two pair.
Wow.
Oh wow, that's interesting. Falling off.
Something's on there.
Look at that knife.
Oh, that's a knife. Oh, ho, ho. Nice.
I wonder what kind of this. Oh, the tip's broken off.
Just the tip.
Yep, just the tip is broken off. It says stainless Pakistan on it.
Is it a multi-tool?
Yes, it is.
Swiss gear. Swiss Army knife. Swiss Army knife.
Probably a chunk of seawall. Whoa, what is that?
Oh, that's not a drill.
That's a drill and something else. Dude, that bag's gonna fall off. Is that a coat?
I think so.
It's a coat tied to the drill.
Oh, there's nothing weird about that at all.
Something in the pocket. Is that the charger for the drill?
I guess if you're done with it, you might as well get rid of all of it, right?
What the heck? Yep. That's the battery charger for the drill. Why though? Why? That doesn't make any sense to me.
Doesn't have to make sense. You just a murderer who threw the person in there with the drill. Somebody didn't like their contractor.
Something like that,
I'll
yeah.
bury you with you and your drill.
Nothing in the pockets, that's for sure. I mean, there was something in the pocket. There was a battery charger. That's
Weird.
That's really weird. All right, well, you think, was that a Ryobi?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think their warranty is?
Well, if water damage is covered.
You got the
model
everything
number,
but the battery. All right, this is gonna go straight to the trash. Oh, got a knife. Looks like you're, it's a Swiss Army knife. Looks like you're multi-tool a little bit.
How is there anything left in this river?
No,
I mean, seriously.
The heck is that? Oh, oh, it's the works. Oh, that splattered me in the face. Oh, I don't know what this is.
For sure, yeah. I'm not sure what this is, guys. Anybody out there knows? Feel free to comment below so that we can know too. We want to be one of the cool kids too.
Got a knife. I got a broken knife. I got the
Oh wow.
handle, and I got the blade.
It's called a blade.
Got a catfish bail. That's about it.
Sweet. With that throw, I got myself a piece of pipe. Mario time! Is it part of a fishing pole? Like an old.
Yeah, looks like it.
pole. Yeah.
That's very interesting.
Down there alone. Try, bud.
Randy.
Yep.
Randy.
Yep.
Randy, do you see what you got?
Oh, yeah, I do. Oh.
Do y'all catch guns often?
Pretty often.
Whoa.
Do
Randy.
y'all call the cops?
Randy. Good job, buddy.
Do y'all call the cops?
Normally, yes. This is your strap for releasing the pistol.
It's on there so tight. I can't. We have to break that off.
It's all swollen.
Oh.
It's leather, man.
Dude.
Good job, brother.
Thank you. Awesome.
Number 15, right?
Yep, 15.
Let's see you open it.
Wait, yeah.
I would love to, but
No, that's not the right side.
that's the only side that's letting me open it and do anything right now.
But some of the stuff y'all catch, is it useful?
Sometimes.
So do y'all clean it off? And it's all black.
Oh, your
Trigger's
fell
gone.
off.
Oh.
I have some bullets.
Nice catch, Randy. Looks like a 22 target pistol to me.
Yeah. Does it count?
It does.
You
Take a
should
look
put it in a box that fit it and then pin it up on your shelf in your room.
It's really old.
Is that a tub?
I don't know what it is. I think it's a sink.
That's a weight.
Hey, can we go from none to 2? You sure? Go on the
I
time.
can see
Watch out, man.
fishing
Watch out.
weights. Look at all the fishing weights.
Yeah, it's a sink. Oh.
You've got a whole bunch of fishing. Is that a pole?
It's just a bolt.
Here, touch it.
No. Everything is sharp and rusty. You'll get tetanus. That's why we wear gloves.
Something on there. Coming up. Oh, I got myself a hammer. It's my first hammer. I watch Jason pull all the time. Got myself a pretty decent looking hammer actually. And a nail. That throw, I got a nasty, looks like half-eaten fishing lure of some sort. It's a gummy. Gross. And it's a fishing line. Take that out of the water. Alright. What do we have here? What I got here is my first pair of glasses. That's pretty awesome. Thought I felt something click. Oh no, it's a piece of seawall. And a net. Yep. In that throw, I also got a small old ratchet. It looks like. Yeah, it's a ratchet. Yeah, tiny little thing. What do we got here? Whoa! Couple different kinds of fishing lures. That one's weird. But yeah, it's not too bad. This is something.